Hello students, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Today's topic is Les Accents Français. Les Accents Français. What are accents? First of all, the accents are basically certain symbols which should put on vowels which actually change the meaning of a word and change the pronunciation of a word. There are five accents in French alphabet and they function as a guide to how words are to be pronounced. They are easily recognizable visual symbols used in written and typed French that indicate how letters are to be sounded. So let us take a look at each of the accents and see what each one does. The name of the first accent is ague. This accent is placed only the vowel E. This symbol is this like a acute angle. Acute angle. The ague points upward and to the right. E is originally pronounced a, but with this accent it gives the pronunciation of a. Now let's take this example without accent per, with accent pay, without accent ma, with accent me. Now the next accent which is known as grave. It is placed on three vowels A, E, U. Now this A and U, the sound of letter does not change on A if I do not put this accent. A और U में ये accent की जो sound है वो change नहीं होगी, change होगी तो सिर्फ E में होगी. Clear? Like A without accent. A without accent. La. Next, a with accent, a also pronunciation same la, but meaning is change. If I write this word u, then the sound is u. If I write this word u with this accent u, but meaning of these two words are different. U without accent meaning is or, with accent meaning is where. Same la without accent la meaning is the, with accent la meaning is there. Let's take out certain examples for understanding these two accents in a more clear way. Paru. Pa is pa. Now here on E do not have any accent. पर जब हमने इसमें ई में एसेंट नहीं लगाया साउंड चेंज नहीं होगी. व्हेन वी यूज एसेंट ague, now accent earlier, this accent will be give me the sound of a, parlay, parlay instead of par. The sound will be parlay. Now these are certain words of which I have not put any accent. Now according to the pronunciation, will put this accent either ague or grave. For example, per, per, without any accent, this word is per, p and r, per. But in French, this word pronounced as père, which means father. Now, père sound of a, so we put accent grave. Now, here, this is r, r, g, l, rugl. So we put accent grave like this, without accent this, r, gl, with accent ragl, ragl. Another example, prefer, prefer, but in actual practice this sound is prefer, prefer. But in actual practice sound is prefer sound. So in the first half of the word prefer, so prefer a sound, it would be fair, prefer. We are giving this sound. So this was the explanation of first two accent, ague or ground. Now let's come one to third accent, circumflex. This is also known as, in common practice we also call this accent chapeau, chapeau, which means hat in French. A E I O U सर्कमफ्लेक्स सिर्फ 5 वोवल्स में यूज होगा, ए ई आई ओ यू. This accent is used as a marker for vowels which are followed by another letter, usually S in Latin, and it is placed on all the vowels A, E, I, O, U. Now this accent first of all does not change the pronunciation of the letter or the word. इस एसेंट में ना तो वर्ड की प्रोनाउंसिएशन चेंज होगी ना किसी लेटर की प्रोनाउंसिएशन चेंज होगी. क्लियर? French language has been evolved from Latin, but there were some words which were originally followed by S. So whenever from Latin to French we write a word and we have to omit certain letters, then we put this accent circumflex. I leave it a example for this. The original word hotel, एग्जाम्पल से देखेंगे. होटल, this word hotel, this is a French word and it has been taken from Latin word which was hostel, hostel. Now we have to remove this s, and I told you in hostel. Next example, forest, Latin word forest, place, remove s, meaning is play, like example s'il vous plaît, please. Clear?